Hey everyone, if you're experiencing sound problems on your LG monitor, don't worry, most audio issues can be fixed in just a few minutes with the right checks. Let's walk through the fastest and most effective way to get your sound working again. Start by confirming whether your LG monitor actually has built-in speakers, because many LG models do not. You can check this in your product manual or on LG's official website. Next, inspect your HDMI or DisplayPort cable and make sure it's firmly connected on both ends. A loose cable is one of the most common reasons audio doesn't work. Now use the monitor's physical buttons or joystick to increase the volume and confirm it isn't muted. Even if your computer volume is up, muted monitor speakers will result in no sound. On your computer, open sound settings and make sure your LG monitor is selected as the audio output device. This step applies to both Windows and Mac OS. If the volume is set too high, lower the monitor volume slightly and control loudness from your computer instead to avoid distortion. If sound still isn't working, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter or update your audio drivers through Device Manager, as outdated drivers often cause HDMI audio issues. For deeper testing, connect the monitor to a different device or try a new cable to rule out hardware problems. As a last step, perform a factory reset through the monitor's on-screen menu to clear any misconfigured settings. Mac users may also need to switch the monitor input from PC mode to AV mode for proper audio handling. If none of these steps work, contacting LG support is the best next move.